In this video, I'll guide you through how to connect SurveyMonkey to Power BI. If you've ever wanted to streamline your data analysis process by linking these two powerful platforms, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to seamlessly connect your SurveyMonkey data into Power BI, allowing for more dynamic data visualization and analysis. Let's get started. First, head over to surveymonkey.com. This is where you'll begin the process of connecting your SurveyMonkey account to Power BI. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials and sign in. Once you're on the home page, you'll want to navigate to the profile icon. You'll find this in the top right corner of the page. Clicking on it will open a drop-down menu with several options. In this drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Apps and Integrations. This is the gateway to connecting external applications to your SurveyMonkey account. By clicking on it, you'll be taken to a new page where all available integrations are listed. Now, in the search bar, type Microsoft Power BI. This will quickly narrow down the list to show you the specific integration you're looking for. Once you see Microsoft Power BI in the results, go ahead and click on it. This action will take you to a dedicated page for the Power BI integration, where you can learn more about what this integration can do and what permissions it requires. The next step is to click the Install button. By doing this, you initiate the installation process of the Power BI integration with your SurveyMonkey account. This is a crucial step as it sets up the framework needed for these two platforms to communicate with each other. And that's it. You've successfully connected SurveyMonkey to Power BI. Now you can start exploring the possibilities of analyzing your survey data more effectively in Power BI. This connection allows you to create rich, interactive reports with your SurveyMonkey data, providing deeper insights and more compelling data presentations. Remember, integrating these tools can greatly enhance your data-driven decisions, enabling you to visualize trends and patterns that might not be immediately apparent. If you ever need to modify or remove the integration, you can always revisit the Apps and Integration section in your SurveyMonkey account. Thanks for following along in this step-by-step guide. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to subscribe for more tips and tricks on data management and integration. Happy analyzing!